Let's make a DIY whiteboard or dry erase board. So to make this we need a cardboard box. So you can take any cardboard box which you have at your home. So next we are going to cut out a square piece out from the cardboard box. I have a box which is similar to a pizza box. So I have taken out the lid from it. Next, we are going to cover the cardboard piece with some white paper. So here I've taken A4 size paper. So next we're going to take a transparent sheet and we're going to stick this on top of the covered cardboard piece. Next we're going to stick a ribbon all around the borders of the cardboard piece. We'll also be attaching a handle to the board. Now we're going to stick some stickers here and there all around the board. To write on the board, we're going to use whiteboard markers. So if you like the video, click the like button and also subscribe to my channel and do comment below your thoughts. You can wipe the board with a tissue paper, or you can use some facial sponges, which are makeup sponges or any sort of sponge. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment down below your thoughts, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.